Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the device without causing any damage. Start by unplugging your LiveU Solo Pro from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Once unplugged, use the small Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws located at the back of the device. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Take your time here to avoid breaking any clips. As you open the device, pay attention to the internal layout to understand how everything fits together. Once the casing is open, locate the HDMI port. You will see that it is secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, ensure that you have removed all screws before attempting to pull the HDMI port out. Now, if you notice any dust or debris inside the device, it's a good idea to clean it out at this stage. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any particles. This will help maintain the device's performance. With the old HDMI port removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new HDMI port with the designated area and secure it using the screws you previously removed. Make sure it fits snugly into place. Before reassembling the casing, double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure. If you're unsure about any step or don't have the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert help without any pressure to commit. Now, carefully place the casing back on the device. Align it properly and gently press until you hear the clip snap back into place. Once the casing is secure, proceed to replace the screws at the back of the device. Make sure they are tightened but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the threads. After reassembling, plug in your LiveU Solo Pro and power it on. Test the new HDMI port by connecting it to a display to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. In summary, changing the HDMI port on your LiveU Solo Pro involves a few straightforward steps: gathering the right tools, carefully removing the casing, replacing the HDMI port, and cleaning the interior. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any unexpected surprises. Follow these steps, and you'll have your device back in action in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.